হেল্ল' এভৰিৱান, এইটো 2024 BSc কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰ আৰু ইয়াৰ পেপাৰটোৰ নাম হৈছে ইনভাইৰনমেণ্টেল ষ্টাডিজ আৰু এই পেপাৰটো BA, BSc আৰু বিভাগত আছে আৰু এই ভিডিঅ'টোত আমি ইয়াৰ কুৱেশ্যনৰ এনচাৰবিলাক দেখিম। আহক আমি ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ আৰু এছামিছ মিডিয়ামৰ ভিডিঅ'টো মই ডিছক্ৰিপশ্যনত দি দিম। ইয়াৰ কুৱেশ্যন 1, চুজ দ্য কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰ। Question A, which of the following is a renewable source of energy? Answer, solar energy. Number B, which of the following is not an example of a producer? Answer, fungi. Number C, in which year was the Wildlife Protection Act enacted in India? The answer is 1972. Question D, which of the following is not an abiotic component of an ecosystem? Here answer to have green plants. Question E, which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Here answer to have carbon monoxide. Etia 2 marks question. Question A, what is a food chain? Answer, food chain is the sequence of living organisms in which one organism is eaten by another for energy. It shows how energy flow from one producer to consumer. Example, grass eaten by grasshopper and grasshopper eaten by frog and frog eaten by snake and snake eaten by eagle. Question B, mention two non-renewable resources. Answer, coal and petroleum. Area question C, what is an ecological succession? Answer to have ecological succession is a natural and gradual process by which one type of community of organism is replaced by another, leading to development of a stable ecosystem over time. Question D, name 4 primary air pollutants. Here answer have carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide and particulate matter. Question E, mention 2 measures for the control of noise pollution. Here answer to have use of soundproof materials in building and industries. Number 2, planting trees and creating green belts around the noisy areas. Question F, what are decomposer? Answer to have decomposer are organisms such as bacteria and fungi that break down dead plants and animals into simple organic and inorganic substance, returning nutrients to the soil. Question G, distinguish between natural and artificial ecosystem. Answer, natural ecosystem form naturally without human control. Example, যেনেকুৱা forest, river. Artificial ecosystem created and maintained by humans. যেনেকুৱা example, aquarium, crop field, etc. Your question is, write a brief note on Kyoto Protocol. Answer, the Kyoto Protocol signed in 1997 is an international agreement under the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, UNFCCC. It aims to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by industrialized nations to combat global warming. Question I, what do you mean by sustainable development? Answer, sustainable development means development that meets the need for present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. It focuses on balancing environmental, social and economic growth. Question I, write about the effect of industrial waste. Answer, industrial waste leads to pollutions of air, water and soil. It harms aquatic life, reduces soil fertility and releases toxic chemicals that causes health problems in humans and animals. এতিয়া 5 marker question. Question A, discuss the meaning and importance of environmental studies. Here answer to have environmental studies refer to the systematic study of relationship between humans and their natural surroundings. It includes the study of physical, chemical, biological and social components of environment and how they interact with each other. The importance of environmental studies are, it creates the awareness among the people about environmental protection. Number 2, it helps in understanding the proper use and conservation of natural resources. Number 3, it teaches method to control pollution and maintain ecological balance. Number 4, it promotes sustainable development and improves the quality of human lives. Number 5, it helps in finding solutions to environmental problems such as deforestation, global warming, and climate change. Number B. Discuss the causes and effect of water pollution. Answer. Water pollution refers to the contamination of water bodies such as rivers, lakes, and oceans, making the water unfit for human use and harmful to aquatic life. The causes of water pollution. Number 1. Discharge of industrial waste into the rivers and lakes. Number 2. Domestic sewage and household waste. Number 3. Use of chemical fertilizer and pesticides in agriculture. Number 4. Oil spill from the ship and refineries. Number 5. Dumping of dead animals and organic waste into the water bodies. An effect of water pollution. Number 1. Death of aquatic plants and animals. Number 2. Spread of waterborne disease like cholera, typhoid, and hepatitis. Number 3. Reduction in soil fertility due to polluted irrigation water. Number 4. Destruction of aquatic ecosystem and biodiversity. Number 5. Shortage of clean drinking water and health hazard for humans. Question C. Describe the flow of energy in an ecosystem. Your answer. An ecosystem consists of both living and non-living components interacting together in a balanced system. Flow of energy. First, the sun is primary source of energy for all ecosystem. Number 2. Green plants. Producer. Capture solar energy and converted it into chemical energy through the photosynthesis. Number 3. Herbivores. Primary consumer. Obtain energy by eating plants. Number 4. Carnivores. Secondary and tertiary consumer. Obtain energy by eating other animals. Number 5. Decomposer. Break down dead organism, returning nutrients to the soil and maintaining the energy flow. The flow of energy is unidirectional. Is that from the sun to producer, producer to consumer, consumer to decomposer. Question D. Describe the causes of global warming and its impact on the environment. Answer. Global warming refers to the gradual rise in Earth's average temperature due to the increase in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. The causes of global warming: excess emissions of carbon dioxide from industries and vehicles. Number 2, deforestation reduces the absorption of carbon dioxide by trees. Number 3, release of methane and nitrous oxide from the agricultural activities. Number 4, rapid industrializations and urbanization. Number 5. Burning of fossil fuel like coal, oil, and natural gas. Now, global warming impacts on the environment. Number 1. Melting of glaciers and rise in sea level. Number 2. Change in rainfall patterns causing the floods and drought. Number 3. Loss of biodiversity and extinctions of species. Number 4. Reduce agriculture productivity. Number 5. Increase in heat related disease and natural disasters. Question E. Write a short note on Forest Conservation Act. Answer. Forest Conservation Act 1980 was enacted by the Government of India to prevent the indiscriminate destructions and misuse of forest land. The objective of this act are: number 1, to stop deforestation and maintain ecological balance. Number 2, to ensure that forest land is not diverted for non-forest purpose without government approval. Number 3, to protect wildlife habitats and promote afforestation. Number 4, to encourage the sustainable use of forest resources. The act play a vital role in conserving the India's forest cover and protecting biodiversity. And last question, discuss the concept of food web with suitable examples. Answer. A food web is a complex network of interconnected food chains that show how energy and nutrients circulate within an ecosystem. Explanation. Number 1. Each organism in a food web depends on the other by food and energy. Number 2. When many food chains are linked together, they form a food web. Number 3, it maintains ecological stability by ensuring energy flow at different levels. The example, the energy flow from plants to grasshoppers, then frog, then snake and eagles. Same, the plants to mouse, mouse to snake, snake to owl. This chain together form a food web. Importance of food web. Number 1, it ensures balanced energy distributions in the ecosystem. And number 2, it prevents the total collapse of ecosystem if one species disappear. সেইটোৱে আছিল তোমাৰ 2024 VSc কোৱেশ্চন পেপাৰ আৰু সেই ভিডিঅ'টো হেল্পফুল লাগিলে তোমালোকে এই চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবা। থেংক ইউ।